Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. My name's Lawrence, and I'm here to show you some origami. This week, I'll be showing you how to make a piece of tissue into a rose. With many parties, you have decorations to make it more attractive, make it more eye-catching, make it more memorable. And with Halloween on the way, and, well, the beginning of autumn, I thought a rose would be the most, fitting. So, to start with, all we need is a simple napkin, all the folds and everything. And all you need to do first is make sure that the latches here are all pointing upward, okay? All little layers. And the first step is all you have to do is roll that round. Okay. And there you have it. And then what we need to do is just twist there. So hold it, twist these as tight as you can. Okay. Leave these little bits here because those can sometimes, and most of the time, become the what you call it, leaves. Okay. So you try your best just to leave that to space. Okay. So pinch here, pinch just above. Okay. Just above where you've twisted. Try. Make sure not to lose that little extra piece there. Okay. And there we have it. As you can see, you've got the nice leaf, you've got the beginning of the rose head rather. And then all we need to do is just a little bit tighter up top. Trying your best, okay? And then this bit forms how you see the rose, okay? Some can leave it as they wish in such a way, or they can open it up like I prefer. All you're doing is you take one layer at a time and peel it down, okay? Trying to get them down as low as possible without ripping the tissue. Okay. That's the idea of it. Okay. These are one of those where you just feel and see how you want to forge this rose, how you want to forge this flower. And this is why I also prefer using tissue to make flowers most of the time, because they always have a bit more of a soft and elegant effect to them. Okay. And then you just scrunch that down. And then just sort of squeeze the bud a bit. And there, though not my most elegant piece, you do have the form of a rose. Nice large bud there. And if you want to get some colouring pencils out, or just what you call it, some dye or something, you can even try and make that stem there all green, allowing this to take its full form. I'm only using quite cheap material here, so when you get some more well-folded pieces of napkins, you'll be able to make these look a lot more closer to the true form itself. One of the most romantic flowers, one of the most memorable flowers, and, well, one that everyone can find their unique meaning to. So, this week's challenge is, what can make the scariest thing there is, but have you ever thought our costume? Have you thought of making an origami costume? Turn yourself into a pterodactyl, turn yourself into a crane, turn yourself into something that you don't need to worry about losing because you just make yourself another one later. It's a way of saving money and a way of adding your own flair to this year's Halloween. Well, thank you for watching. I have been quick and instructive as always, and may you enjoy your Halloween and the upcoming weeks ahead. Farewell.